Hello friends, let us take a quick review of the syllabus of Diplomacy Part 2, that is second year. Subject name is Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy. It contains theory and practical. Theory is divided into two parts. First one is hospital pharmacy and second one is clinical pharmacy. Hospital pharmacy contains different chapters as follows. First chapter is hospital. It contains its definition, function, classifications based on various criteria, organization, management, and health delivery system in India. Second chapter is hospital pharmacy. It contains definition, functions, and objectives of hospital pharmaceutical services, location, layout, flowchart of materials and main, personnel and facilities requirements including equipments based on individual and basic needs, requirement and abilities required for hospital pharmacists. Next chapter is drug distribution system in hospitals. It contains the study of outpatient service, inpatient services, types of services, detailed discussion of unit dose system, floorboard stock system, satellite pharmacy services, central sterile services, bedside pharmacy. Next chapter is manufacturing. It contains the study of economical considerations and estimation of demand. Next chapter is study of sterile manufactures, large and small volume parenterals, facilities requirements, layout, production, planning, and manpower requirements. Next chapter is non-sterile manufacture. It contains the study of liquid orals, externals, bulk concentrates, procurement of stores, and testing of raw materials. Nomenclature and uses of surgical instruments and hospital equipments and health accessories, and PTC, that is Pharmacy Therapeutic Committee. Next chapter is hospital formulary system and their organization, functioning, and composition. Next one is drug information service and drug information bulletin. Next chapter is surgical dressings. It contains study of surgical dressings like cotton, gauze, bandages, and adhesive tapes, including their pharmacopoeial test for quality, and other hospital supply, for example, IV sets, BG sets, catheters, and syringes, etc. Next chapter is application of computers. It contains the study of application of computers in maintenance of records, inventory control, medication monitoring, drug information and data storage, and retrieval in hospital retail, pharmacy, and pharmacy establishment. Part 2 is clinical pharmacy. It contains different chapters as follows. First one is introduction to clinical pharmacy practice. It contains definition and its scope. Second is modern dispensing aspects. It contains the study of pharmacist and patient counseling and advice for the use of common drugs and medication history. Next point is common daily terminology used in the practice of medicine. Disease manifestation and pathophysiology, including silent symptoms to understand the disease like tuberculosis, hepatitis, rheumatoid arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, epilepsy, diabetes, peptic ulcer, and hypertension. Next chapter is physiological parameters with their significance. It contains the study of drug interactions, adverse drug reaction, etc. Drug interactions contain definition and introduction, mechanism of drug interaction, drug-drug interaction with reference to analgesics, diuretics, cardiovascular drugs, gastrointestinal agents, vitamins and hypoglycemic agents, and drug-food interaction. Next is adverse drug interaction. It contains definition and significance, drug-induced diseases, and teratogenicity. Next chapter is drugs in clinical toxicity. It contains its introduction, general treatment of poisoning, systemic antidotes, treatment of insecticide poisoning, heavy metal poison, narcotic drugs, barbiturates, and organophosphorus poisons. Next one is drug dependence, drug dependencies, drug abuse, addictive drugs and their treatment and complications. Next is bioavailability of drugs, including factors affecting it. And the books recommended are latest editions of Remington's Pharmaceutical Sciences, testing of raw materials used in and evaluation of surgical dressings, and sterilization of surgical instruments, glasswares, and other hospital supplies. And fifth one is handling and uses of data processing equipments. So friends, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates about D Pharmacy studies. Thank you.